Hello guys and welcome to another video. Let's do again the unboxing of SONOS ARC and SONOS OneSL surround speakers. I am putting the link of my previous video. There I unboxed the whole sound system from SONOS for my 86-inch TV, and this time I bought for my 65-inch TV. You can see that both the ARCs are actually in black color but have different packings. The white one, this packing, this one I bought directly from SONOS, and this black packing I bought from an authorized SONOS seller. I called the SONOS store and asked why it's different, and they said that the black packing might be the older variant where SONOS has removed extra plastic and stuff like that, and the white one is an improved packing. Otherwise they said that the product inside is 100% same. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside, and don't forget to see my previous video where I unboxed this white SONOS ARC and two SL speakers. Now this time we are going to unbox this SONOS ARC in this black packing with these two speakers. So you can see the difference. You can see it looks like that from the sides. So you can see the comparison, different packings, but the product is same. So you can see I have installed the previous SONOS ARC for my 86-inch TV and a sub as well, and two surrounding speakers, one SL which I have already installed. So let's unbox this black one and these two surrounding speakers. I have ordered a stand as well, which has not arrived yet, but I will put a separate unboxing video for those. First we have to open here, and you have to unlock this one, and the same you have to do from the other side. Then we have to lift the box. This is our SONOS ARC packed inside. So it's the booklet, cables, Sonos wall mount. So the screws, the instruction book, and don't throw this one. So you are going to use this one while mounting the arc. Positioning guide. These are the screws. This one is the arc. So now I have installed the Sonos Arc to my 65-inch TV, and the cables are hanging down and I need to hide them because they are looking so ugly. And you can see how it looks, the Sonos Arc to a 65-inch TV. And this one is my 86-inch TV, and there is also installed a Sonos Arc. So you can see how it looks like with 86-inch TV, looking pretty small. Anyways, thank you for watching my video and see you in my next video. Bye bye.